Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Today I will explain page number 57. The topic is patterns in parts. Here in this page we have given 4 boxes with 16 squares inside it. Box number A, B, C and D. In the first box they have colored out of 16, 8 boxes they have done blue color and 8 boxes not colored. The question here is make different patterns by coloring some squares in the grids B, C and D, and asking the question what part of the grid did you color and what part of the grid remained white, and write that number in fractions. Here first box, half part of the squares they have colored and half part not colored. That means 8 upon 16 is blue color and 8 upon 16 is white color. Now second box we have to give color according to our wish, and write the parts you colored and write the parts not colored. Students, I will show any color and how many boxes you need to color. You can do according to your wish. Students, I will show here how I have colored or made the pattern of different ways in this page. I will show it in another page. See, this is the box number B. Here I selected out of 16, 6 boxes I colored with red and 10 boxes I have not colored, that means white color. So see the pattern I have selected here. Corner to corner, that means middle 2 boxes and corner to corner boxes I colored and the other boxes I left uncolored. This is the pattern first I selected and return the fraction 6 upon 16 and 10 upon 16. 6 parts red color and 10 parts not colored, white colored. Now see the next diagram, next picture. Next picture is grid C. Grid C, I have selected another pattern. See students, just opposite of that grid B. Here I have selected 6 boxes to color and 10 boxes to remain uncolored and white here. But here I have used 10 boxes to color and 6 boxes to uncolor. See the pattern I selected here, or I chose here. 2 sides, that means left and right side I would given the purple color. See, both the sides I given purple color and middle 2 boxes also I given purple color. That means 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2 equals 10. 10 boxes I have given purple and 6 boxes remain uncolored. So the fraction given here is 10 upon 16 and 6 upon 16. This is the fraction for our grid C. Now we have to take the grid D. This also we can give the colors according to our wish. Anyway we can give. Students, this is not compulsory. You have to select my patterns. You can select your own pattern, your own wishes, your own colors. For grid D, I have selected half part of the boxes to color and half parts not colored. That means out of 16. All the grids there are 16 boxes. In this grid I selected half part to color. That means alternate boxes I given orange color and one after other boxes remained uncolored. That means white color. So the fraction here is 8 upon 16 or 8 by 16 and 8 by 16. That means equal. Just like our first grid. That means grid A given in the picture. Now we have to go to the question number 2 in this topic. Question is, look at grid A again. Is the grid colored is first one half blue, half white. B 2 upon 4 blue, 2 upon 4 white. C 3 by 8 blue, 5 by 8 white. And D 4 by 8 blue, 4 by 8 white. Here 4 options given and the question asked is mark cross on the wrong answer. To find which option is wrong, we have to find the calculation of this question. First of all, we have to see this picture, students. Grid A. See that picture. Out of 16 boxes or out of 16 squares, 8 squares they have done color and 8 squares not given color. That means out of 16, half part. 8 means half part. Half part is blue and half part is white. So options also given here. First option is half of blue and half white. This we have to show the calculation also for this. Find the answer for this question. That calculation I will show in another page. See that calculation. How can we do the calculation? See, first option is 1 by half blue and 1 by half 1 by 2 white. So half of 16 is 8. Yes, in that picture we know that 8 boxes colored and 8 boxes not colored. Now see the options B, 2 by 4 blue and 2 by 4 white. Here also 2 by 4 of 16 is also the answer we are getting 8. That means 8 boxes colored and 8 boxes not colored. Now see the option D. The option D is 4 by 8 blue and 4 by 8 white. That means 4 by 8 of 16. That also we have to find what is 4 by 8 of 16. 4 by 8 of 16 is equal to 4 into 2, 8. That also we got 8 boxes. So according to that picture, these 8 boxes, all these 3 options are correct. That means 8 boxes colored and 8 boxes not colored. That means half part of the box colored and half part not colored. Among these, so we know that option C is wrong. That means the half of 8 is not 3 and half of 8 is not 5. The option is 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. 3 by 8 is not blue and 5 by 8 is not white. So this option is wrong, and we have to put a cross mark on that wrong option. That is the answer for our question. Now we have to read question number 3. Question 3 is draw grids of 16 squares and make patterns with. In question 1 and A, they have already given the grids with 16 squares. But in question 3, we have to draw the grids with 16 squares and draw and give the color according to this instruction. The first instruction is 2 by 8 of 16 we have to give red color, 1 by 2 of 16 we have to give yellow color, and 1 by 4 of 16 we have to give green color. First we have to find what is 2 by 8 of 16, what is 2 by 1 by 2 of 16 and 1 by 4 of 16. That calculation I will show you in a page. See the calculation. How can we find this? This is the calculation. 2 by 8 of red is 4. That 4 parts we have to red color, and 1 by 2 of 16 is 8. That means half of 16 is 8. That parts we have to give yellow color, and 1 by 4 of 16 is 4. That we have to give green color. Now see students, how I have given the pattern. The pattern is used alternate columns of first box given red, then green, then red, green, and below top I given the same way. At the same way I given it at the bottom also. Red, blue, and red, green, and alternate columns boxes. Now 8 boxes of yellow colors I given in the middle part. Now see the next instruction. The next question is 3 by 16 of 16 parts, 5 by 16 of 16, and 1 by 2 of 16 have to give like this way. 3 by 16 blue, 5 by 16 red, and 1 by 2 of 16 yellow color. This also we have to see the parts. How many are these? 3 by 16 of blue 16 is 3 itself. 5 by 16 of 16 is also 5 itself, and 1 by 2 of 16 is 8. This is the calculation. Now see, I have given the colors here. 8 yellow parts I given at the top and bottom parts, and 5 red I given in the second line, and 1 box in the third line, and other 3 remaining blue I given in the third box. 3 boxes given. So this is the pattern I used. Now we have completed the 57 and 58 and 59 pages. I will explain tomorrow. Students, all these answers you should write in your textbook.